Statistics 8 marks. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution. Class interval, number of students. We want to find the mean. So this is horizontal table. Now convert into vertically table. Class interval CI given 10 to 25, 25 to 40 like this. Number of students take as frequency 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6 like this. Mid value means X. Mid value means class interval mid value. How you can find it? 10, 25 mid value. Add 10 and 25, 35. 35 by 2. 10 plus 25, 35 by 2 is the mid value, 17.5. Here 17.5. Now 25 to 40. Add 25 to 40, 65 by 2, that is equal to 32 by 5. 32.5. Now add 17 plus 15, 32. 32 plus 15, 47.5. 47 plus 15, 47. 47 plus 15, 62.5. 62.5 plus 70, 15 యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా, చేస్తే 77.5. 77.5కి మరో 15 యాడ్ చేస్తే 92.5. These are the mid values. Now maximum A is assumed value. A is assumed value. A is equal to assumed. What mean? Assumed mean. We assumed A is the mean. How we determine which is the highest frequency in the table? 7. So this mid value take as assumed mean. These are all everything x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. Now xi minus a, di is equal to xi minus a. So first year 0. 47.5 minus 47.5, 0. After this one, what is the difference? 15. Of course, minus 15. This minus this minus 15. This minus this minus 30. And this minus this minus this, and xi minus a means 15 plus 15 plus 30, 45. Now this is di. Fi di we calculate. F means here, T means this one. 2 into minus 30 minus 60. 3 into minus 50 minus 45. 7 into 0, 0. 6 into 15. 6 into 15, 90. 6 into 30, 180. 6 into 45, 270. Now sigma Fi di we want to find. Means adding these. Minus 60 plus 45, minus 45, minus 105. Minus 105, okay. 90, 180, 270, 270, 270, 540. This is 540 plus. Add this 5. Adding means this is minus, so subtract. Minus here 3 and this is 4. 435 plus 435. This is Fi di. Now formula for mean equal to a plus sigma fi di by n or sigma f. A means what is a? 47.5 plus sigma fi di 435 by sigma f means how many are these? 30. Total them 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 12, 12 plus 18, 30. This is sigma f. So 30. Now 47.5 plus this division we have to do. Sigma fi di 435. Now mean formula a plus sigma fi di by sigma f. A means 47.5. We know here. Plus sigma fi di. This is sigma fi di total, this one 435 by sigma f 30. Now 47.5. This value is 14.5. Now 47, 14, how much? 61. 61.5 plus 0.5, 1. That is 62. So, average weight of a student is 62 kgs. Therefore, mean of weight is 62 kgs. Okay.